Today's video is full of awesome impacted toenail cleaning. I'm not going to talk your head off today, just good old relaxation and satisfaction of toenail cleaning, so stay tuned. I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology, specializing in pedicures. Okay, I'll take that. You're going to straighten it all the way out. So where are you from?
I'm from Novi.
If you're new here, welcome! Please subscribe and click the bell to turn on your notifications to know when I upload my weekly video and be notified if your comment got the most likes and will be featured in an upcoming video.
Shellac.
So shellac is just a brand of gel polish.
Okay, so I have been putting that on my toe. I think I've worn shellac almost straight for a year. So she told me that it's possible, like my big toe may be a little dehydrated because of that, and that's why
You can bend your knee.
Okay.
Well, those could be. How do they remove the gel?
So they use, I guess, the acetone.
Okay.
And they put it on, like, it looks like paper towel or cotton, and then with foil attached to it, they wrap it around.
Okay. Take the gel polish off during the services, so. Yeah, you can get those.
Well, it hasn't been more than a month.
Oh, okay. Pretty recent.
Yes. And I just love the work that you do.
Thank you. Okay.
Or to the right.
I love science and math.
Do you? Me too. Those are my favorite subjects.
And physics, yeah.
Oh, physics.
Yeah, when you get those dark spots, it's usually built up like this that's just stuck underneath there. So this is the pedicure I've been giving for 25 years. You know, if somebody came in here and I just did a polish change, that's, yeah, I mean, it's not what you get in the little walk-in places is not what they taught you in school. And unfortunately, a lot of people don't check to make sure that those places are licensed. Because the little walk-in places are the biggest abusers of not following the rules. So you gotta make sure and then hold them accountable. You know, if you're not getting a regular pedicure service, then, you know, find a different place to go.
Right.
It's like somebody making an appointment for a haircut and coming in and getting a bang trim,
Right.
you know, and getting charged for the regular service.
Yes.
So.
More often.
Because I have a million other responsibilities with running the salon and stuff. But they're not all pedicures. I only do like 5 pedicures a day because I need to do, I do acrylic nails and watches the channel too, or you showed it to him?
I showed it to him, and he's like, "Oh, I wouldn't mind going to visit her." He's subconscious about his feet. Him and my boyfriend, and they're like, "Oh, I want to go see her."
That's great.
Do you train other technicians to do it like you do it?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're gonna need some help.
Yeah. My next class is in April in French Lick, Indiana. And then in July in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Yeah. Has anyone accidentally cut your hyponychium there? Because it's so high.
In the past, yes. She's come close to it.
You're like, whoop, 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 whoop.
Yes.
Now we can't.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.